So if you are squeaky new to crypto and NFTs, you are entering a space with a thriving community with their own jargon, lingo, and language. That can be hard to understand for the uninitiated. So let me initiate you with some top words used and simple explanations. Here we go. GM, good morning, and sometimes GN for good night. Often used in the NFT space as a goodwill gesture while letting people know you're online. One of one art equals a scarce single NFT backed digital artwork, a single piece, not part of a multiple edition. PFP stands for profile picture, a kind of NFT art designed to work as a digital avatar on social media. WAGMI, short for we all gonna make it. Even shorter as GMI, gonna make it. Often used to uplift the like-minded that we're all in this together, especially after positive news breaks. Gas is the name of the transaction costs or fees usually on the Ethereum blockchain required to make a transaction. HODL or HODL, a replacement term for hold. Holding with commitment to your crypto or NFTs, stands for holding on for dear life. WL or whitelist is the same as an allow list or a pre-sale list, giving permission to a select group of people and wallets to get access to a specific release by collecting their addresses for some exclusivity. Bot, short for robot, which refers to the automated software designed by programmers to do specific actions without much intervention, such as execute trades and offers, respond to chat questions, or automate posts on Discord. DYOR, or do your own research. That's what you're doing right now, looking into things for yourself and making your own assessment. IPFS stands for the Interplanetary File System. So many NFTs point to an external source outside of the blockchain. IPFS is a storage system network designed in a decentralized and distributed way and not on a single host server. Mint, producing for the first time. In this context, it's the creation of a brand new NFT on the blockchain. Secondary equals this is not the primary sales market, the direct first sale from an artist, but rather the resale market. So the secondary market is where you can buy an NFT at market value. Rarity. Some profile picture collectibles can be around 10,000 items, and some items are more common and more rare than others. The character traits usually held in the metadata can often be more desirable if very scarce and demand higher resale value, such as gold skin or cyborg eyes. Shilling. Shilling is promoting an NFT project on social media for marketing. Degen, short for degenerate. If you degen into something, you know it's a possible risky or bad bet, but you do it anyway, often with no due diligence or research. NFA, not financial advice, a disclaimer many say or write after an opinion to reinforce that they are not a paid accredited professional and just sharing their thoughts or actions. There are plenty more terms and new ones being invented every day, but that will hopefully get you started navigating the NFT space and not feeling too dumb when you're on Twitter and Discord.